Hello guys. So there are two terminologies that are usually connected with tax conversations. One is tax deductibles, the other one is tax exemption. In this video, I'll be explaining more about tax deductibles. Now, tax deductibles is concerned about certain items or expenses that are allowed to be deducted from one's income before tax is charged on that income. The first one is the National Housing Fund Scheme. So if you are contributing some amount into the National Housing Fund Scheme, that money is allowed to be removed before tax is charged on the remaining. The next one is the pension. If you are contributing some amount into your own pension for your future and all of that, that amount is allowed to be removed from your income before tax is charged on the remaining amount. The next one is if you are registered for HMO or NHIS. Now, if you are working with a corporate organization, chances are that they have sorted all of these things. But if you own your own business or you are freelancing and you have to do a self-assessment, you should know all of these things. Or you have people that are working with you and all of that, and you have registered them for this, and you are paying some amount for the HMO or NHIS, that amount again is allowed to be deducted from your income before tax is charged on it. Another one is the premium you pay for life insurance. So if you pay some form of amount for life insurance, that amount is allowed for you to deduct from your income first before tax is charged on the remaining amount. Another one is rent. The government allows that you remove up to 20% of your rent, capped at 500,000 naira, from your income before tax is charged on the remaining. Now, this is what that means. If your rent is 1 million naira, for example, and then you are to remove an amount from your income, you are to remove 20% of your rent, which is 200,000 naira in this case, from your income before tax is charged on the remaining amount. Now, let's assume your rent is 5 million naira. 20% of 5 million naira is 1 million naira. Are you going to remove 1 million naira from your income? The government says no, that the maximum amount you are allowed to remove is 500,000 naira. So even if your rent is 10 million naira, the amount you are allowed to remove is capped at 500,000 naira. That means that you cannot remove 20% of 10 million naira. So 500,000 naira is the amount that you are allowed to remove before tax is charged on the remaining amount. Now, the whole idea of this tax deductible is to give you some form of relief. I hope this makes sense. I will see you in the next video.